Hi everyone, let's start with the fifth section, the power of find. This is video 1 of section 5, find commands for files. We'll be making use of this command to find files on our Linux system. The find command searches for files in a directory hierarchy. Find searches the directory tree rooted at each given starting point on terminal. Let's start by logging in our Linux guest OS, and then bringing up terminal for our work. Use man find to check the documentations. We can see that find is for searching files in a directory hierarchy. Let's give it a try, like this on terminal, find/home/hero/. This will list directory files on terminal and hidden files. If we try find with a /, this will search for whatever is in the directory you're on. Init represents the path. Using find/.c will search the directory for necessary .c scripts or programs and other files. We can also get more information for the usage of find command using find-help. By typing find, you get listed files on terminal as results. To check the root directory, we need to be a super user by typing on terminal sudo find/root/. This will give all files in the root directory. For home use, sudo find/home and we get the files listed on terminal. We can also include the username /hero to list the files in the user directory. To find a directory, use sudo find/home/hero/do and we get the document and downloads directory. Or just like this, sudo find/home/hero/downloads. Or change it to sudo find/home/hero/desktop. That's all for this video.